All right, so this morning we're going to look at the solutions to the questions we had the last time. All right, and these questions are a bit challenging, I'm sure. All right, so we have this one, which is the first question. It says that we should calculate that angle theta there. All right, but to calculate, there's a hint here. Draw a line that is parallel to AB and CD. Oh, this angle is actually 20 degrees. Draw a line parallel. That's the hint. And let's see if it will help us. Let's draw a line that is parallel to AB and CD. If I then draw a line, then I would have this. And I think it would really then help. All right. Because if that is the case, we can then call this G1 and call this G2. All right. Now, if you look at this, after drawing the line, what do you think G1 will be equal to? Because we're looking for this angle here. I want us to work together. Oh, thank you. Thank you. G1 would be equal to 20 degrees. Alternate angles. All right. Alternate angles. And not just alternate angles. Remember, we are now, let's call this GK, all right, angles, because GK therefore is parallel to CD. Good. What about G2? Can I get answers from as many people as possible? What will G2 be equal to? That will be 20 degrees. Thank you, Amatula. G2 will then be 40 degrees. Again, reason, alternate angles, because GK is therefore parallel to AB. What do you think theta will then be? What do you think theta would be? What do you think angle theta will then be? And what will be your reason? I've got Tasmia giving me an answer. 300 angles at a point. Do we agree? Zainab, 300 angles at a point. All right, 300 degrees. Angles around a point, or angles at a point. Thank you. All right, after the first question, guys, quickly, name and class attendance. Name and class. Name and class. Quickly, let's take our attendance. I hope this first question is okay, so I'll be waiting for attendance. Attendance quickly. All right, I'm still waiting. Attendance. All right. Thank you for giving me the attendance. All right. Let's look at, okay, thank you for giving me the attendance. Let's look at the next question now. Let's look at the next question. We are given this, and it says, express the following in terms of x. Express the following in terms of x. Let's check something here. When they say in terms of x, it means x must be your part of your answer. You don't need to solve for x. All right. I'm looking for B2 and B3. What do you think B2 would be equal to? Anybody? Or which one do you want to find first? I think B3. Oh, the first one says B3. Let's get B3. Okay, sorry, Tasmia. I jumped the gun. let's look for B3 first. Number one, B3. What is B3? And I need your reason as well. Alright, Suhail, one B3. We're looking for B3. Guys, we're looking for B3. You don't need to go that far. Zainab, you don't need to get C1. Alright, I see your B3, alternate angles. That's what I want. Why is your B3 10 minus 2x? Why? Why? Why 10? B3. We're looking for this angle. (180 minus 170 minus 2x) co-interior. No, Tasmia. B3. B3. Talk to me, guys. B3. Okay, let's check. All right. Tasmia saying 180. Okay, let me check. 180 minus. All right, look. Minus 170 minus 2x. Okay, I see. All right, I see. Now, all right, Zainab, I'm going to come back to you. Zainab said C1 is 10 minus 2x. Okay, all right, I see. 10 minus 2x. Is it important for us to get C1? If you look at this, we do have this there, right? All right, I see you. You are going to be correct. Our B3 would be equal to C1 because they are alternate. And C1 and C2 are actually adjacent supplementary. All right, so C1 plus C2 equals to 180. Adjacent supplementary angles. So what is our C1? Our C1 plus 170 minus 2x equals to 180. All right, good thinking. So C1 would be 180 minus 170 plus 2x. That's where some of us are making mistake. Why are you saying it is 10 minus 2x? All right, why are you saying 10 minus 2x? This is 10 plus 2x. That's where I'm having issues, the minus and the plus. I don't know if it makes sense. Or if you wanted to say C1 is 180 minus C2, just to make sure we are correct, it is 180 minus, you need a bracket, 170 minus 2x. So that's where we're making that mistake. 180 minus 170, negative times positive gives me negative. Negative times negative would give me a positive, which is still 10 plus 2x. So, for the co-interior, I used the transversal line. Alright? Okay, to smear just a second. So, you guys gave me 10 minus 2x. I hope you see the plus. Alright. For the co-interior, I used a slanted transversal line. Yes, which is absolutely correct. You can, I'm going to do that as my second option. All right, let's use this as the first option, but I'm particular about the negative. Tasmia, I'm going to work with your co-interior just now. All right, so we know that C1 is equal to B3. Alternate what? Angles. And we know that AC should therefore be parallel. This is actually D. AC parallel to BD. Alright, AC parallel to BD. Okay, we are going to get to B2 Martins. Just a second. C1 is equal to B3. So B3, I hope you guys are seeing the mistake you made. It is not a negative, it is a positive. I want to use Tasmia's method. All right, let's see quickly. Another way, remember we said it's all about what you can quickly see. All right, it is about what you can quickly see. Let me clean all of that. Awesome. So we have this as what? C. Now, we were told that this line is parallel to this line, and this gives me a U. Parallel. Good. This line here is parallel, so we're using that. So we talk about co-interior there. Okay? Co-interior. Lovely. So C2 plus B3 equals to 180. Co-interior, because AC is parallel to BD. Are we okay? So what is our B3? All right, C2 first, 170 plus 2x plus B3. No, it's 170 minus rather. 170 minus 2x plus B3 equals to 180. B3 is 180. Now if I take the negative, which is 180 minus 170 would give us what? 10. Do you see we still have, it's a positive. Or if you had said B3 is 180 minus C2, it is 180 minus, don't forget, I think we are forgetting the bracket, and that's very, very important. All right, this will be 180 negative times positive, negative times negative, and that will give us 10 plus 2x again. Awesome. All right, I hope that makes sense. Let's go get B2. All right, throw in your answers. Martin said 80 minus 2x. Can we confirm that answer? B2. I already have one answer that we need to confirm. B2. 80 minus 2x. Are we? What is angle B2? Now let's talk about B2 together. Everyone, let's talk about B2 together. You guys are all saying 80 minus 2x. Is that correct? B2 plus B3 is actually equal to 90. I'm sure that's what you guys are using. All right. Because AB is perpendicular to BD. Good. AB is perpendicular to BD. We have this as 10 plus 2x. All right, so what is our B2? Our B3 is 10 plus 2x equals to 90. Now let's just do the algebra. 90, the 10 becomes negative and the 2x becomes negative. So you have 80 minus 2x. Well done. Good job. Good job. Awesome. We have another one here. Calculate the value of angle theta. Calculate the value of angle theta. Now, can we work step by step? What should we do first? I want you to give me your instructions. What should we do first? Which one should we look for first? I want your instructions. Which one, how should we tackle this question? How should we tackle this question? We are looking for the value of theta. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. What did you do for the value of theta. The house is quiet. The house is quiet. N2, 1/6 corresponding. Okay, Tasmia starting. She said N2 is 1/6 theta. Good thinking. Corresponding. All right. And what else? There are different methods here that I have seen. HGE. HGE. It cannot be theta. Okay, HGE is theta. HGE, this angle here, theta, vertically opposite. Alright guys, let me do this because there's a lot of steps here. Let me do this with you. There is a lot of steps. Alright, let me work with you and walk through different methods. Alright, Tasmia, you're correct by the first two steps. Okay, I'm going to work with you here. This is one method. Let's see if we can have two different ways. Alright, I have that. D2, look at D2 is equal to 1/6 theta by saying vertically what? Opposite. Alright. We are told that this line and this line are parallel. So can we get this? Which is 180 minus theta, co-interior. There are so many ways, alright? There are so many ways. 180 minus theta. N1 is 180 minus theta, co-interior. I'll try to use another method. Hopefully time would allow us. Now, co-interior because NC is parallel to GA. Alright, or you can use BA. We're told that those lines are parallel. Good. Can we then say that 1/6 theta plus theta minus 20 plus 180 minus theta equals to 180? Adjacent supplementary angles. This whole thing here should be equal to 180. Remember, this is just one of the methods. Now we can solve. Isn't the reason for D2 corresponding are equal? For D2, corresponding angles are equal. Oh yeah, sorry, D2 corresponding. Okay, I was looking at B1, corresponding. Thank you. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Because this angle is also equal to that, which is vertically opposite. I was looking at B1. All right, thank you. Now let's solve together quickly. We have 1/6 theta plus theta minus theta. All right. I'm bringing all the theta's together. 180. This would go over to the other side, and the 20 will become positive. All right. Theta minus theta would be 0, so I have 1/6 theta equals to 20. All right. Now we multiply both sides by 6. Theta would be 120 degrees. Awesome. Good. Theta will be 120 degrees. I hope that's fine. Let me work out something else on the same question. Look at this. I'm just going to cut out this first part. Is it okay to say B1 is also equal to 1/6 theta, vertically opposite? And is it okay to say that G1 is equal to this angle here? Do you see that adjacent supplementary? So G1 is also 180 minus theta. All right, this is vertically opposite, adjacent supplementary. Now you have a triangle. 1/6 theta, which is that, theta minus 20, which is that, 180 minus theta, which is that, equals to 180. And what will be your reason here? Angles in a triangle. So we come back to the same set of calculation here, and we still get that. So there are different ways of getting that. Okay, Tasmia got this angle as theta, then got that as 180 minus theta. Good. So different ways based on what you can see first, as long as your principle is correct. Can I please get okays if you are okay with the two methods that we've done? Can I please get okays? Or if there's a question. Okay, not okay, okay, not okay. Quickly. We have two more questions to deal with. Okays, not okay. Okays, not okay. Alright, I'm getting a lot of okays, and we seem to just be doing very well. Alright, beautiful.